Mabuhay y'all. This morning I am going to make some Pandesal. My recipe is doubled since I am going to share it with my parents. So here's 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and here is half a cup of sugar, 6.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got 2 cups of milk, half a cup of unsalted butter melted, and 4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Okay, so first I am going to microwave this. Here you go, guys. I microwave the milk for 90 seconds. So we are just going to add our yeast and our 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir it. And then we are going to set this aside for 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so while we are waiting for the milk to become foamy, I am going to combine 6.5 of all-purpose flour, two teaspoons of salt, and half a cup of sugar. We are going to combine all the dry ingredients. And using your stand mixer, you can use your stand mixer if you have one, or you can just do it by hand. All right, so I am going to crack these 2 eggs into the melted butter. And whisk it. Alright guys, it didn't take quite 10 minutes on this milk mixtures to start looking foamy, but just keep an eye on it. Okay, so I am going to pour the butter and egg mixture into my milk mixture. And stir it to combine. Alright guys, I am going to slowly pour this milk mixture into my flour mixture. And we are just going to let it all combine. Alright y'all, so it looks like everything is well incorporated, so we are just going to let it continue for another 12 minutes. And There you go. "12 minutes is done." Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to drizzle this with olive oil. And I am going to form it into a bowl. If you have a stand mixer, make sure to use it. You can knead it by hand also, but you will be tired. Just trying to form this into a bowl. And we're going to let it rise for at least 15 minutes. So just put it somewhere where it's warm. It double the size. Here you go, y'all. After 60 minutes, it really doubled the size. So we are just going to punch it to release the gas. Get it off of the bowl, get it out of the bowl. And we are going to divide this. Y'all, I did forget to mention that you're gonna need at least a cup of breadcrumbs. This is a homemade breadcrumbs, but my husband wanted to make sure that y'all understand that I am saying B-A-L-L, which is bowl. So yeah, let's go. We are going to make this, form it into a ball, and we are going to roll it into the breadcrumbs and then set it on the pan. And I am going to finish rolling them into a ball, and I'll get back with, see y'all later. Alright, y'all, it made 2.5 dozen. So we are going to let it proof again for 30 minutes, and we'll see y'all back here later. Alright, y'all, and we're back to the ball. No, it's actually doubled in size, so it is ready for the oven. So we are going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And here it is, y'all. Let's see. Let's try. This is really good to dip in a coffee, or you can put cheese inside it.